Greetings! All companies are faced with recruitment and understand that the employment contract or job offer is one of the most important documents in the recruitment process. Before posting a job offer, recruiters need to know the criteria for finding the right candidate, which is often different. In each case, the job offer may change. A higher salary per hour may be offered to a candidate of the same specialty in another city, and depending on the season when there is a shortage of staff. Can these processes be managed easily without using primitive writing tools? Absolutely. From now on, managing candidates is simple and sending job offers is very easy. And in this video, I'll show you exactly how. I will use the cherryteam.com business management system where all recruitment processes are automated. On the Cherry Team website, I log in to my business account. When I log in, I can see my contacts list, of which I have a few thousand in the database. Above the list, there is a category bar where I can filter my contacts by category. Clicking on candidates leaves me with a few hundred candidates in the list. Below the categories, the candidate list can be further sorted with labels. I have all sorts of labels. Long term, I have 90. Short term, I have 15. From ads, 150 candidates, and without labels, 200 candidates. There is another way of recruiting candidates. It is much more efficient and convenient. Let me show you. I go to Projects. To create a new project, I click on Add Project. I'll name the project Jobs in Germany. Select the client for whom the project is intended, and select a different address, entering Germany in the field. Then at the top of the project window, there are tabs: Description, Files, Schedule, and Career, which I will click on. In the Career section of the project, I can set the criteria for the type of candidate I am looking for, so that the system finds the candidates for me. I will add Specialty, Mechanic, Driving Category B, Languages, English at level C, Russian at level C, and German at level B. That's enough criteria for me, and I click Save. After saving, the project appears in the list. To see the project's career, I click on the name of the project, and inside the project, the Career tab, which is the last one in the category bar. I can see that the system has found 15 candidates whose criteria match what I specified. You can set a period from when to when and display the filtered candidates in the list. I set it to last month, and now there are only 5 contacts left in the list. Unwanted candidates can be removed manually by clicking on the More button, and then Reject. Now there are only 4 candidates left. This is how the system lets you select candidates for projects. Candidates who meet the project criteria will now appear in the project career page. I can now create a job offer for a candidate. I choose a candidate, click More, and then Recruit. The window for creating a job offer opens. On the right of the screen is an example of what a PDF document looks like when sent. I can see the fields I need to fill in to create the job offer. In the Employee Candidate field, the contact has already been added. Below that, we can see the Employment Contract tab, which can be clicked to expand and collapse the employment contract information. In the Position field, you need to enter the job position of the employee. After that, the salary must be entered. In the Salary field, you can enter fixed monthly or hourly salary. I enter 2,000 euros in hand into monthly, and I see that the salary calculator has calculated the on-paper field automatically. Clicking on the salary card, below we can see the detailed salary information. I need to determine whether the contract is fixed term or open-ended. You can choose a probation period. I will choose 3 months. Choose which employer group they belong to. Additional retirement accumulation. Here you can choose whether the employee will be provided with additional retirement savings. Full-time equivalent, where you can set the employee work hour period. Accounting period, which determines how much overtime will be calculated after an employee's work period. Working days per week. I will leave the standard 5 days per week. Work days. You can choose which days of the week the employee will work. Maximum number of working hours per day. I will leave the standard time at 12 hours per day. And maximum number of working hours per week. I will leave 48 hours per week. At the bottom of the window, you can choose the language in which the document will be sent to the employee. Now we can save and send the contracts. After pressing send, job offers will be sent to all candidates, and the contracts will be visible according to the status in the project. Alongside that, all job offers can be seen in the menu bar by clicking on HRMS. Here is the list of job offers, and where employee recruit. I hope this video tutorial will help you when using the Cherry TEAM system in the future. We look forward to your comments, and thank you for watching.